1999 Toyota Camry, 400 some odd thousand miles on it, 450 I think, I can't remember, it's been a while since I ran it. Needed a battery, so I got one from the salvage yard. That's why the yellow writing. Tested out 850 cranking amps. Yeah, just because it's in the salvage yard doesn't mean it's bad. Many times I use a car not working, we'll get a battery replaced first thing, and then something else, and they scrap it. So, what do you use on your posts for keeping corrosion away? That's something my dad taught me. Just throw some grease on it. Yes, it won't conduct, but I've never had a post and a clamp not conduct. So. Put the ground on last so you can touch the ground with your wrench. If you put the ground on first, you'll be arcing out. I'd be arcing out on this clamp. So there you be. And then I top it off just like I did with the positive terminal there. With a nice fresh coat of grease. I know it's messy, but it won't corrode. And it's cheap. Have a good one.